5 marks, quadratic inequalities. Easiest question ever. Here I've got m squared plus 7 all over 4 is greater than 22 and less than 32. As I've got two inequality signs, I always want to get the letter, in this case m, in the middle by itself. Our first step in the middle here, we can see it's all divided by 4. Well, the opposite of divide by 4 is to multiply each part of my inequality by 4. So I'm going to multiply the left, the middle and the right by 4. In the middle, I know that multiplying by 4 and dividing by 4, they're the opposites, so they'll cancel. Hence, I'm left with m squared plus 7 in the middle. It's still greater than, on the right-hand side, 22 times 4. That will give us 88. And that's still less than, on the right-hand side, 32 multiplied by 4. That will give us 128. As I just want the letter, in this case m, left in the middle by itself at the end. Well, currently in the middle, I've got m squared plus 7. Hence, the opposite add 7 is I'm going to subtract 7 from the middle, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. I know 7 subtract 7 will cancel, and that'll leave us just with m squared in the middle currently. It's still greater than 88 subtract 7, that'll leave us with 81. And it's still less than, on the right-hand side, 128 subtract 7 will give us 121. Again, as I'm solving, I want to be left with the single letter by itself in the middle. Hence, the opposite of squared is to square root, both sides. So m is going to be greater than the square root of 81 is 9, as 9 times 9 is 81. And it's going to be less than, well, the square root of 121 is 11, because 11 squared is 121. But don't forget, when you square root, you get a plus or a minus, because the square root of 81 is technically plus or minus 9, because 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81, but also negative 9 times negative 9. And negative times negative is also positive 81. And also the square root of 121 is actually plus or minus 11. Hence, our other solution for m is going to be greater than, we always put the smallest number on the left-hand side. Well, our smallest number here will be the negative 11, as that's the most negative. And it's going to be less than negative 9,